Good morning, children. Today let us learn to solve some equations. There are some tips to find the solutions. Okay, let's go. Some tips to solve the linear equation. Okay, so first of all, whatever the equation should collect the all variables one side and constants on other side. That means we should keep the variable values on LHS and constant values in RHS. Okay. Second, if you want to transport any positive values from LHS to RHS, the positive value becomes negative value. That example, +4. If you want to send +4 from LHS to RHS, that means it becomes -4. +4 becomes -4. Okay. Next, if you want to transport minus values from LHS to RHS, that means it becomes positive value. For example, -6. If you want to send -6 from LHS to RHS, it becomes +6. Okay. And next, if you transpose multiplicative values from LHS to RHS, then it becomes division. Suppose example, into 3 it becomes divided by 3. Okay. Next, division. If you want to send or transpose division value from LHS to RHS, it becomes multiplication. So by 5, that means it becomes multiplicative 5. At the same, if you send from RHS to LHS, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, division becomes multiplication, and multiplication becomes division. Okay, simply remember these tips, then you do all the equation problems. Okay, any type of equations you should solve simply. Okay, once I will give some more examples. Here first one, x plus 9 is equal to 8. X plus 9 is equal to 8. We know that first of all, separate the constants and the variables. So maximum we have to keep the variable value in left side only. So x is equal to, this is plus 9. If you move from plus 9 to right hand side, it becomes -9. Okay. So 8 minus 9. Then after we have to find the answer, that is equal to x is equal to -1. Okay. Next, p minus 6 is equal to 5. So p minus 6, if you send this to right hand side, it becomes +6. Okay. That is equal to 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. What is the value of p? 11. Next, here 4x is equal to 6. 4x is equal to 6. What is the variable? X. So what is 4? 4 is multiplying with the x. So it is multiplying. That means 4 is multiplied with x. So if you transpose 4 from LHS to RHS, it becomes division. That means by 4. Then is the x is equal to 6 by 4. Okay. Then it is possible to calculation. So should do it. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. That is equal, x is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. Next one. A by 5 is equal to 3. A divided by 5. Here 5 is dividing to a. So that means a by 5 is equal to 3. If you transpose by 5 from LHS to RHS, that means it becomes multiplication. Multiplicative 5. Okay. Then a is equal to 3 into 5, that is equal to 15. So in this way we have to find the variable values in equations, linear equations. So we will see some more examples. Solve 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. So solve 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. What is the variable? Y. So is it linear equation or not? Yes. Y means what is the highest power of the variable? That is 1. So it is one of the linear equation. Clear? So given that 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. Now which one we have to find it here? Y value. Okay, let's see. 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. Now constant. First of all, separate the variable values and constant values. That means we should keep the variable values in left hand side only. So here 14y I kept in LHS. Okay, the remaining, that means constant values, a minus 8 and 13 two are constants. So I want to send this minus 8 to RHS. That is equal to 14y, that means transposing minus 8 from LHS to RHS, then we get 14y is equal to 13 minus 8 becomes plus 8. Okay, that is equal to 14y is equal to 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. Okay, next we want to find y value. So here 14 is multiplied with y. So if you transport 14 from LHS to RHS, it becomes division. So 14 y is equal to 21, then y is equal to 21 divided by 14. Yes, here I have for 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So y is equal to 3 by 2 is our y value. Clear? Yes. Next one, 2 plus 3z is equal to 34. So what is the variable value? 3z. So I left it here only. That means in LHS is equal to 3z is equal to 34 plus 2 transposing from LHS to right hand side, that becomes minus 2. Okay, so 34 minus 2 is equal to 32. So 3z is equal to 32, z is equal to 3 is multiplying, so it will come this side, it become divide. So 32 by 3. Okay, z is equal to 32 by 3. Next, solve x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. So given equation is x by 3 plus y 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. So we should left the variable value in left hand side. Okay, x by 3 is equal to plus 5 by 2. If you transpose plus 5 by 2, it becomes minus 5 by 2. So that is equal to minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Okay, these two are like fractions. So we know that how to add and subtract. Yes or no? So simply should add it. Minus 3 minus 5. Minus 3 minus 5 by 2. So minus 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 8 by 2. Is it possible to cancellized? Yes. 2 2s are 2 4s are. So that means x by 3 is equal to minus 4. So here we want to find only x. So 3 is divided to x. So if you transport 3 from LHS to RHS, it becomes multiplication. So minus 4 into 3. So 3 4s are 12. Already have minus. Just keep it. That is equal to x is equal to minus 12. So in this way we have to find the unknown value. That means variable values in linear equations. Okay. Next one. X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. So x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. So variable value x by 13. And left at LHS is equal to 7 by 15 plus 1. It is in LHS. If I want to send, that means transpose 1 from LHS to RHS, it becomes minus 1. Okay, 7 by 15 minus 1. Next, so this is whole part, this is fraction part. Now we have to take the LCM. So take by 1. Now 15 and 1. What is the LCM of 15 and 1? 15 only. Now 15, how many times 15? 1 time into what is the numerator? 7. Okay, minus 1, how many times 15? 15 times. 15 into what is the numerator? 1. So 7 into 1, 7, minus 15 ones are 15 by 15. So that is equal to 7 minus 15. What is 7 minus 15? That is equal to minus 8. Why means 15 minus 7 is equal to 8 only. But here 15 is the bigger value. So that one have negative sign. So keep that negative sign. So x by 3 is equal to minus 8 by 15. Okay, clear? Now we want to find x value. So x is equal to, here dividing. So if you transport 3 from LHS to RHS, it becomes multiplication. So minus 8 by 15 into 3. 3 ones, 3 fives are. 3 means it is in numerator. Okay. So 3 ones, 3 fives are. That is equal to minus 8 by 5. Minus 8 by 5 is our answer. Next sum. Solve 14 minus 3p is equal to 5. So given equation is 14 minus 3p is equal to 5. First of all we have to do separate the variables and constant. So what is the variable? Minus 3p is p is variable. What is the variable value? Minus 3p. So I kept minus 3p in left hand side is equal to 5. I transpose 14 from left hand side to right hand side. So plus 14 becomes minus 14. Okay, minus 3p is equal to 5 minus 14, that is equal to minus 9. Okay, both sides have the negative signs. So minus minus get cancelled. 3p is equal to 9. So if p is multiplying, then p is equal to 9 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 threes are. So p is equal to 3. Okay, na? In this way we have to find the unknown values in the equations. Okay, clear how to solve the linear equations in one variable in one side only. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss some working problems. Okay, I will give the assignment to you. You complete that one. Okay, thank you.